Hi, this is Frank Gambuzza here backstage at the Intercoiffure Atelier here in Las Vegas. And we just did a really nice men's razor cut, showed you one tip of the day, but here's another tip of the day backstage with Modern. When you do a razor, what typically happens is because it's not a shear cut, you're not cutting hair horizontally, you're cutting it vertically with the hair, and because it's so fine, you get a lot of hair inside that doesn't really come out when you comb it. So here's an old school tip on when cutting hair with a razor, how to get the hair out without having to shampoo it. So I'm gonna get some cotton. And I'm gonna just comb this cotton off the ball into my comb, like so. I'm gonna push this all back, right down to the spine of the comb. And now I'm gonna comb through George's hair, and all the hair that was cut with the razor will come right out, just like it's, this is a magnet. So I'll comb it one way, and then I'll comb it the other way, because I cut it both ways with the razor, and here's all the hair that would have been typically left in the haircut had we not shampooed it, and it's all taken off with the cotton. Now he can go back to the office and work this afternoon. Again, backstage, Frank Gambuzza, Modern Salon, tip of the day.